Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine. This is ProInform Codit, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to show the address on the marker, just like you can see on the screen, like Uber like marker. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm Praveen, and this is video number 4 from React Native Maps playlist. If you not watch the other videos, there will be link in the I button as well as in the description that will start you to the video number 1 and the link of other videos from the playlist as well. So go and check it out. In last tutorial I have told you how to get the address from latitude and longitude. But what I did is I show the textual address in the toaster, which is not a good experience for the user. So I want to take the address and show it to on the top of the marker, like the you see in the image. It's Uber application marker. So let's try to implement this. Before we begin, if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because there are more and more lots of interesting things that are on the way, so don't miss it. Till this we have reached from our last video. Now to show the address, first I'll make a map view a simple tag from a closing tag, and declare a variable marker inside it. Now I'm going to assign a marker from map view to this variable, because the marker provides us a show callout function built in, which we are going to use to show the address on that marker. There is another way to show this implementation, and that is render the current address state inside the test component and the style the component accordingly. But take much effort as well as time. So if you want only single marker you on the screen, feel free to going to copy this view and assign it to the marker variable that we have declared, because we are going to show the same view. Inside the view I'm gonna grab the marker from map view component, and put the image inside it. There are some props that I'm going to give this marker, like style, coordinates that we got in the initial region when we scroll the map, uh, title having value current address state, and we pass the reference of this marker to this dot mark. And when we render, we see no address on the marker. That because the address does not automatically pop up on the marker. We have to provide some function to this. The name of the function is show callout function. As I have given the reference of the marker to this dot mark, I have to write this dot mark dot show callout function. You have to make sure that you write this after the map is completely rendered, otherwise you may get undefined in this function and this may cross a red screen. So that's why I'm writing this function inside the get address function, so that this show callout executed at the last when the map is fully rendered and shown on the screen. All done. Now when I refresh the screen, we got the address on the marker. As you can see, I have used two markers here, one for floating effect and another for show address. You can write this show callout function inside on map ready, which is a map view property. So this is our goal. If you got the information what you want, consider subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.